This episode of Grounded in Maine is sponsored by ESG Review. ESG Review magazine is published quarterly in February, May, August, and November, and is available for free in print and digital formats. ESG Review is devoted to environmental, social, and governance strategies, technologies, and investments. ESGreview.net is updated every Wednesday with 8 new stories and is home to feature articles, news items, and more. Visit esgreview.net to stay informed and help us spark the collaboration and awareness needed to develop sustainable economies and communities around the world.
There's a place where there's no trouble, no more pain, no more struggle.
Hi there. Thank you so much for listening to Grounded in Maine today. My name is Amy. I've just been thinking lately that I should take a little stock in what I have learned from, was it 17 episodes so far? And which sounds really huge to me. So I just wanted to kind of chat a little bit about how much I've learned, what I've learned, and I also just wanted to ask, those of you who are listening, are you learning anything? Is there anything that you want to hear about? Do you have anything to share? Because I'm always listening. I'm always looking for new people to talk to. Just in a very general sense, like one of the biggest takeaways that I've taken on, that I've learned is really like respect, just respect for the earth, respect for the plants, respect for, everything that we have, our bodies, talking with Karen and Herbage by Bex, like respect for the plants, respect for the earth, talking about herbalism and foraging and rewilding. Like so much of it is just taking it all in and appreciating what we have. And then, talking to Casey about foraging, also, respect for those mushrooms and the plants that we may not know. Talking to Laura Ludwig, respect for the earth, cut the plastic out as much as we possibly can, find other uses for it, and just be really specific about recycling. Let's see, who else? Rebecca Lewis. Oh my goodness. Just it's okay to start small. We don't have to do it all. We don't have to start with everything. We just, start with something and, add on to what you learn and, don't be afraid to try. Laura Marston with Go Refill, again, try to cut out the plastic and stop buying, those huge packages. It's so important. Oh my goodness. Andy was talking to us about chickens, and he also, does woodworking. So again, just, respect and appreciating what you have, cooking and his woodworking and caring for his chickens and his property, all so important. Nicole Karen talking to us about honey and bees and caring for, the little insects and oh my goodness, holy respect for the insects. I never really thought about it that way, but all the things that we have that come from pollination and all the things that are sweetened with honey and the things that honey can do, healing and all that stuff, these things are all so important, whether we realize it or not, like we've been using, and just to really show appreciation for those things. Who else? So Alice in Poland, also, with canning and making her own cleaners. Again, just respect for and appreciating what you have, oh my goodness, her story of starting with a challenge to have all of your trash fit in a pint-sized mason jar for a whole month. That is so inspiring. And then Allison Taylor talking about how less can be more and just being really mindful, specifically when you're shopping. Like, do I really need this? Do I need all of this, or do I just need part of it? Not taking on more than you can actually use. That was mind blowing for me. That has just so not been my mindset my entire life. It's always been kind of scarcity. And so, you take all you can get and then figure it out. But that was really, really important. That was an important lesson for me. And Brie Campano teaching us about soap making, how easy it can be, how important it is to know what's in what you're putting on your body. That was so great. I'm so grateful for that. Who else? But so anyway, I just wanted to kind of reflect on what I've learned and what we've talked about. And I mean, that was my big takeaway, is the respect and the appreciation. But I'm curious to know what you guys think, what you would like to learn, what you have to offer. And if there's something that you're missing from this, but so if you love the podcast, if you love learning about sustainability, if you have anything to offer, feel free to tell me. You can rate, review the podcast, subscribe, tell friends. I want to reach more people. I want to continue this conversation. I want to learn more. I want to, have all of us learn more so that we can just be doing more, doing better. And of course, Don Cook recently talking to us about fermentation. So interesting. And I actually, yesterday, I went to a craft fair and I picked up what I'm hoping will be a weight to try fermenting on my own. I bought a glass disc at a cool glass vendor. Sorry. And he has just these little imprinted discs and I'm hoping that it'll be the right size to go inside a quart jar. So that was really, really interesting. And it's so cool that it can be so easy and also so healthy. That's just it's just like a sign sort of that it's something that we should be doing. I mean, it's just too easy to not, right? I think that's really it. I mean, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this, for everything that I've learned through doing a podcast, from the great people that I've talked to, for the encouragement from the people who are listening. I appreciate that so much. And I just wanted to say, so I had, for World Podcasting Day, September 30th, I did an extra little episode, and oh my gosh, he's playing guitar downstairs. Forgive me, forgive him. But so I did a short episode just going over a few of the reviews that were just so kind. But I didn't mention a couple that came through on Facebook, which they just really encouraged me. And so I love all of the positive feedback, and I appreciate negative feedback as well, of course. But I got a couple of notes from family members I wasn't really expecting. They just kind of came out of the blue, and they came at about the same time, which just really threw me off and made me feel like I was doing something. I was on the right path, So my cousin Vicky in England has been listening while she's painting her beautiful flowers. So that was just so nice, and it just made me feel so good. And Aunt Pam in New Hampshire she and her husband are building their own homestead. They're working on living off grid, and she said that she's been listening and she's loving it. So I'll be talking to Pam one of these days once things slow down in life. Because I want to hear about their journey and their adventure in building their homestead. But so those were just really, really humbling and so encouraging to hear from folks that are listening. I appreciate all the feedback. So I just wanted to, like I said, I just wanted to kind of reflect on the past few months. It's been 3 months, 4 months. I don't even know anymore. But I'm having a great time. I'm actually really enjoying it. And the people that I've met are just outstanding. And I'm enjoying the networking and the conversations that I'm having with people so much. So I hope that you guys are enjoying it. I hope that if there's something missing that you will let me know. If you have questions about anything in particular, I'm happy to answer them on air. If you want to come on with me and ask questions, or if you have anything to share, please let me know. I'm happy to do that. I'm always open to learning new things. So again, thank you so much. I appreciate all of it. I appreciate being able to talk to myself, to talk to other people, to be able to post things about sustainability and have people give feedback. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great week. I will talk to you next time. I just want to take a moment and thank Jane Bolduck for her musical genius, for Becca Coffron for her amazing artwork, and to Buzzsprout for hosting the podcast. And as always, thank you so much again for listening.
There'll come a day, my mama told me, when I find love to have and hold me, a heart that's strong and so sincere. Just tell me, how do I get there from here? Oh, tell me, how do I get there from here? 'Cause here and now I'm so far down that mercy's bound, yeah, to find me. We'll find a way to soothe the sickness. We'll heal the hate with sweet forgiveness. Wages of war will disappear. Just tell me, how do I get there from here? I wonder, how do I get there from here? Yeah, 'cause here and now I'm so far down that mercy's bound, yeah, to find me. When that state of grace has finally found me, well, there'll be music, ooh, and good friends around me, yeah, yeah. And I'll just smile through happy tears and wonder,